G'day guys, tonight I'm going to show you what I've done to the steering column to get my self-cancelling working. So in the previous setup, the car uses a clock spring type arrangement with a little connector on the back of it that, if you can see that, there is a blue thing that pops out in the steering column. That combined with this attachment at the back of the clock spring makes it self-cancel. So what I've done is replicated that in a 3D printed piece with two screw-in bolts that will sit on the boss like this. I will install it now and show you. So back again after installing the wheel. So you can see the piece is installed in there. So let's try it out. Let's try that again, shall we? So clicks through one way, go back the other way, cancels. Goes through that way, no dramas, going past the clicker, come back, cancels. So there we have a self-cancelling mechanism put on the car.